Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create a Midjourney server on Discord. So first, you just have to go to your Discord, open your Discord and create a new server here by tapping this plus icon. Now you have to click this create my own, tap this one. Okay, for my friends or for community. So for my friends this time. And I want to name this as Friends 101. And then after that, click Create. So I have my server now and I want to connect the Midjourney server to this server right here. So now you have to click and select this Midjourney, tap Midjourney here. And then you have to click this Midjourney bot. When you tap this Midjourney, you have to look for Midjourney bot or add app right here. So when you tap this, you should see the Midjourney bot and then click app. Tap this one and then you should see this add app right here. Tap this. And then after that, you have to click this add to server. And then you have to click this arrow facing down, out to server, friends 101, and then continue. So you have to read the following and then click authorize. So you have to wait as it is processing. So let me do it again. Tap authorize and then wait. And then you will be notified after you answer this if you're 100% human. So you just have to wait and you will see that you have added this Midjourney to your server or Midjourney server to your own server. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.